Okay, so we're gonna replace this cabin filter today in the 2011 Saab 9.5. So first, you are going to want to take out, I believe they are 8s or 7s. Let me go check. Actually, they're probably 7s. So you want to take those two out. One's here, and they are 7s. Here, let me just show you. Okay. So you want to take that 7mm out and that 7. Just open it up. 7mm there, 7mm right there. So we'll take those out real quick. Okay, so you also have a little 7mm right there, and one down there that you need to take out. So let's get those out real quick. Okay, so after you take the 4 7mm screws out, this will fall down, and then you'll have access to your cabin filter, which is right there. So little clip right on top of here. It's right up there. So you want to clip that. Oh, yuck. Okay, I'm gonna grab a vacuum and vacuum this out first. Okay, so I gave it a little quick vacuum just so not everything's spilled. But we'll pull this out now. Yuck. Yeah, that is very bad. Very bad. And that is why you always want to keep up on your maintenance. And honestly, this is probably original, being GM. And this car has 120,000 miles on it. So let's throw that away. And we'll put in the new one. And it's actually pretty clean in there, but... And here's the new one. And I believe the arrow faces down. So you just take it in like this. Put it in like that. Shut this. And put the 4 screws back in. So I'm gonna do that real quick and then we'll be done. Okay, so we got the screw back in there, the one down there, and the one here, and the one down there. So we are all done, and that is how you replace the cabin filter in your 2010 Saab 9.5. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.